Elderflowers, a sumptuous scent of spring. Welcome to Weeby Kids, and today I'm going to teach you how to make elderflower pancakes. To make these delicious elderflower pancakes, you're going to need 120 grams of plain flour, 2 tablespoons of corn flour, a teaspoon of baking powder, 1.5 teaspoons of sunflower oil or any cooking oil, 1.5 tablespoons of syrup. We use the dandelion syrup that we made a few weeks back, half a teaspoon of vanilla essence, and 250 millilitres of your choice of milk. First of all, we're going to begin by mixing the corn flour in with the flour. We'll then add the baking powder, give it all a nice mix, stir it all in, and then we'll add the wet mix. I'm going to put the oil in with the milk along with the syrup. Again, give it a nice mix. And then add the wet mix to the dry mix. No need for any fancy folding, just mix it all in until you get a batter consistency, like so. Heat a pan with oil and make sure you get it nice and hot. Then dip your elderflowers into the batter, completely cover them in the batter, and then holding the stem, just press them into the pan. They should sizzle as soon as they go in there. Snip off the stem using some scissors and prevent them from sticking to the bottom of the pan. Let them sizzle away. Notice when you get air bubbles on the top, then it's time to flip them. Wait till they're golden brown on both sides, and then you can serve them up with a sprinkling of icing sugar and some of that beautiful dandelion syrup that you've made as well. So I hope you enjoyed stopping by for this resource, elderflower pancakes. They'll go delicious with the elderflower cordial as well. Thanks for stopping by. See you again at Weeby Kids. Bye.